Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the light bulb in your GE dryer, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the bulb and remove it from the dryer's cavity. To install the new light bulb, thread the base of the light into the cavity of the dryer. Plug in the dryer.